Okay, we're still in unit 1, but this is lesson 5, okay? We need to understand how multiplication and division are connected. How are they related to each other? Okay? If they're similar, just like addition and subtraction, they're related to each other. Okay. So it says, how are multiplication and division related? Right? Let's look at this, what they have. It says multiplication joins groups to find the total or product. Okay? See, the first one tells me how many groups I have. I have 3 of them. Okay? And the second number tells me how many in each group. I have 4 of them. So 3 times 4 is 12. See? A multiplication, okay, I join all the equal groups to give me the total. Division, I already know the total though. See? Division starts with a total already. Okay, so how many tennis balls do I have as a total? Let me tell you right here. The total. What's the total, guys? 12. Yes, 12. Divided by, okay, now how many groups do I have? 3 groups. Okay, and the answer to in the division problem tells you how many in each group. So how many in each group do I have? 4. By the way, quick question. Am I still using the same 3 numbers? Am I still using a 12? I'm still using a 3? I'm still using a 4? Yes. All well, those 3 numbers are called fact families. Because then I have 12 divided by 4 equals 3, and then I have 4 times 3 equals 12. All those math equations are part of what they call a fact family. Okay, so that's a little extra info. Okay, think you can use multiplication or division equations to describe a problem. So look at this array. It says one arranges pennies in an array. Let me ask you this. Are these arrays? No, those are just groups. So on your test, when it asks for an array, that means this. So it says you can use multiplication to tell how many pennies there are in all. Well, how many groups do I have? Or how many rows, excuse me?
4.
How many rows? 4. And how many in each row? 8. Okay, I could count all the pennies, but that would take forever. So 4 times 8 is 32. And that's what they have right here. He has 32 pennies. Now we know the total, don't we? So now I can go, well, I got 32 pennies divided by how many rows do I have again? 4. And when I go 32 divided by 4, it gives me 8 because I have 8 in each row. So here's another example that they give you. It says division equations have related multiplication equations, just like I showed you. So for example, if we had 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So the related multiplication equation, anybody want to take a guess at that? Would be what?
3 times 5 equals 15.
Would be 3 times 5 or 5 times 3 equals 15. 3 times 5 or 5 times 3 equals 15. Those would be the related multiplication equations. Okay? It says to help you solve a division problem, you can write a multiplication equation using the same, what again? The same numbers. The same numbers. Look at the problem below. So let's look at this problem that we have below. Okay, can you just put a little box around the same numbers? You can use the same numbers. Okay? It says Nina buys 20 stickers. Perfect. She puts the same number of stickers on each page, on each of 5 pages on her scrapbook. Okay, how many stickers does she have on each page? It says 5 times what equals 20. So to set up, we're going to set up our division equation. So it's 20 divided by 5, and then I need to find out what that is, right? And here's your little hint. Okay, it says 5 times what gives me 20. That's another way to write it. Okay, it says you know the total number of stickers is 20. You also know the number of groups, okay, or pages is 5. Okay, the unknown number you need to find is how many in each group, or the number of stickers on each scrap page. Okay. And then look at the bottom that says, here's one way to do it. Right? They tell you 20 divided by 5, and my answer is 4. Or then we have this. I wrote it up there previously. 5 times what gives me 20? Oh. 5, 10, 15, 20, 4. Okay. Or what I could do is I could also make 5 pages or 5 groups, right? Okay, and I'll put 1 sticker on each page until I get to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many are in each page? 4. 4, exactly. I'm on page 41. Okay, now let's study the example showing the multiplication and division symbols for equal groups. Okay, and then we need to answer problems 1 through 9. So look at the first example that I have. How many groups of fishes do I have?
2.
2, right? Wait. I don't see 4. There's 1 group here, and there's another group here. Plus it says 2 groups. So how many groups I have? 2. How many in each group though? 5. So my multiplication equation is going to be 2 times 5 is 10, which they have right there. Okay. So since I know what's the total? 10. Okay. How many groups do I have? How many groups do I have? Okay, we make sure that we want to think before we answer. I have 2 groups, plus that's what that says. And look, I have 2 equal groups. Divided by 2 is what again? 5. So these 2 are related to each other because they're part of the same fact family. Now I need the group of birds to answer 1 and 2. Okay. How many groups do I have?
2.
No, groups.
4.
Okay, there's 1 group right here, and there's another group right here. So you're right. How many groups? 2. How many in each group? 4. So look, I'm just putting my numbers down. 2 times 4, which is 2 times 4 is 8? It's 4? I heard 4, so which one? 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. Okay. And again, what's the total birds that I have again?
8.
Okay, I don't have 12, guys. I'm looking at the birds, not the butterflies. What is it? I have 8. Birds, 8 birds put into how many groups is that? 2. So now I have 8 divided by 2 is, okay, 8 divided by 2. 4. Okay, divided by, this is a division sign. This is not multiplication right here. Then it says, write a multiplication sentence to describe the group of butterflies, okay?
3 times 3.
Well, let's see. Say that again, Landon?
3 times 3.
Yeah. I have how many groups?
3.
3. Times how many in each group?
3.
3. And then what's the total? 9. So then what would be my division sentence? Travis?
9 divided by 3 equals 3.
And that's all I need. It says, which number sentence best show the arrangement of the cans of tennis balls? Circle your choice. Okay. So wait a minute. Are we adding or subtracting, or multiplying and dividing? So could this be the answer? No. I know that for a fact. So now instead of 3 choices, I have 2. Okay. How many groups are there? Okay, look. How many groups are there? How many tennis cans? If you say 2, that means this.
3. 6.
Okay, hold on. How many cans do you have? Cans. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Instead of using cans, I'm just saying the word groups. So again, how many groups do I have? 6. 6. I have 6 groups, guys. 6 cans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cans. How many in each can? 3. So obviously 6 times 3 is 18. Which one of these does it match? The middle one or the last one? This one right here. It matches. Okay. This one says that I have 9 cans. Do I have 9 cans? No, I only have 6. And my total would be 18 divided by, well, I have 6 cans equals 3. So this would be it, my answer. What's this called? An array. So Friday on your test, when it says to make an array, and you do this, that is going to be wrong. Okay? You're right. These are groups. It says, look at the array below. Multiply to tell how many in all. Well, at least they give you 2 options, right? Okay. How many rows do I have? 3 rows. How many in each row? Okay, wait. Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. Plus, it tells you right here. Look. I have 6. So what does it say? What is it? 18. Okay, 18. I have 18. So from 7, this is what you should have, okay? So how many groups do I need? 3. 1, 2, 3. And I need to divide how many cookies? 15, right? Is that correct? How can that be correct when I only have 15 cookies? That would be 45 cookies. Do I have 45 or 15? So I'm gonna put a cookie in each group until I run out of my 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? Do I need to do anything else? No, it doesn't say anything else. It just says draw a picture to show 15 cookies divided into 3 equal groups. I'm done. Okay. Number 8 says, though, write a division sentence for problem number 7. Oh, okay. So, what did I start off with? Why 15? Because that's my total. That is correct. What else? Divided by, I need the division sign. Divided by 3 equal groups. And I get 5. 5. Then it says for me to write a multiplication sentence. Okay. Write a multiplication sentence for problem number 7. All right. How many groups do I have again? Times, well, there were 5 in each group, right? Equals 15. That was it.